In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix GearUp Booster error codes 4001, 4002, 4003, and 4005. So if GearUp Booster is not working and showing any of these errors, just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is open GearUp Booster. And once it opens, look at the top and click on the menu icon. Now, from the menu, select Settings. And once the Settings page opens, just look for an option called Issue Fixes and click on it. Now, inside Issue Fixes, you'll see an option called Fix LP, which is used to fix local network issues. So just click on the Fix button. Now, after clicking Fix, you'll be asked to restart. So just click Restart and let the app restart completely. Now, once GearUp Booster opens again, check if the error code is gone. Now, if the issue still persists, what you want to do next is go back to the menu icon and this time select Help Center. Now, inside the Help Center, click on Submit a Ticket and then select the Error Codes option. Now, after that, just fill in all the required fields with your problem details and submit the ticket, and the GearUp Booster support team will get back to you shortly with a solution. And that's it. That's how you fix GearUp Booster error codes 40001, 4002, 4003, and 4005. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.